We still believe the strongest survive. But in the world's deadliest desert, where every living thing must fight to survive, the one that endures is not the strongest, but the one that knows how to adapt or die. Among them are some of the rarest predators on the planet, the desert lions. So how, in the end, did these animals survive in one of the harshest places on Earth? Before we begin, leave a line in the comments and tell me which country you are watching from. Namib stretches nearly 2,000 kilometers. When night falls, the heat vanishes and temperatures drop close to freezing. In a single day, every living creature here must endure both a furnace and ice. Red dunes rise more than 300 meters high, creeping forward little by little each day under the push of the trade winds. And here is something few people expect. The Namib is 55 million years old, while almost every other desert on Earth formed and disappeared with climate cycles. The Namib remained there, essentially unchanged. And yet, beneath that deathly surface, life still takes root in silence. Many decades ago, biologist Philip Stander once saw a lioness wandering along the beach, a sight that should not have existed. And after 40 years, he witnessed the most unbelievable moment of his entire career. The story begins with two orphaned sisters, two lionesses. They are called Nara and Sena. They belong to a bloodline so rare it is almost legendary. The last desert lions. Across the planet, people believe only about 150 of them remain. They are so rare that each one wears a tracking collar, so it can be followed every day. But at this moment, Nara and Sena are trapped in their most desperate situation yet. Weeks have passed without a single full meal. A long, burning journey with not a patch of shade to shelter under. But this route has been etched into the memory of the bloodline. This is Skeleton Coast, the coast of death. Here, the heat of the desert slams straight into the icy Benguela Current. A current of water only 12 degrees Celsius, carrying the cold of Antarctica. The Bushmen called this place the land God made in anger. Along the shore, hundreds of shipwrecks lie exposed like giant skeletons. And on this deadly coastline,